So if you want to see your friends' activities over on Spotify, then make sure to watch this video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so here I have my Spotify. Now, in order to see the activity, all you need to do, you're gonna go to your settings, and then here you will find your profile. Now, click on these three vertical dots after edit, and here you will find you can see find friends. So simply click on that. Alright, so here you can see currently I have two friends right there, which is basically my Facebook friends, because I have connected my Spotify with my Facebook account. Anyway, so here if I want to see my friends' activities, what should I do here is that just simply head to their account, like head to their profile. So here you will find their playlist, and which is basically their activities. Like this guy has 4 playlists, you can see, and most probably he used to listen these 4. And you can see if I go and click over on any of the playlists from here, and here you can see he listened this playlist 6 hours and 47 minutes. So basically this is his activity. And moving towards the next one, you can see he has listened this playlist 36 minutes, and which is basically his activity again. Alright, so I'm going to move towards my next friend, and you can see he has no recent activity, because most probably he don't use to listen Spotify, and that's why he don't have any activity right here. Anyway, so this is how you can see your friends' activities over on Spotify. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.